Right here I have this 12-piece set from KnifeSaga that I absolutely love. These knives are made with precision and they look absolutely amazing. Very ergonomic in the hand. You can see the shape. It fits my hand absolutely perfect and it's very well balanced, as you can see. That is going to help reduce fatigue when you are prepping food, and overall these are just going to last a long time. These knives are absolutely amazing and we get a lot of variety to choose from. So we have a really nice pair of scissors. We have the paring knife, we have the utility knife, and we have a bread knife, the santoku, and then the chef's knife. And then you also get 4 steak knives in the kit. They feel like they are so well balanced in the hand, and the detail going all the way through is just amazing. It all appears to be like one piece. It just looks really uniform. I love how the brand's logo is on there very subtly, but these are definitely really sharp, and they do a great job in taking care of all the needs of your food and prep work. Very, very nice, and you don't have to worry about anything. I like the scissors especially because you get a little bit of teeth down here, and then you also just get a really smooth, easy to use, very, very sharp scissor. We get the brand logo there, and there's some rubberized material on the inside of the handles that give you a little bit of grip while you're using these. I do like how it comes with 4 steak knives, so if I'm having dinner and cooking steak with family or friends, I'm gonna know that I'm gonna have just enough to take care of everybody, no problem. Another thing that I do love about this is it does come with an actual sharpener, and we have a coarse and a fine. So if one of these knives get a little bit rough, you can hit it with the coarse just to make sure that all the burrs and everything are off, and then you hit it with the fine to make it nice and sharp again. But I do love this, and I love the color. And you can just take the sharpener, there's a magnet on the back, and you just run it right there on the side, and you can keep it right there. You get a very nice presentation of this block. I love the way that it sits back, makes the knives go really easy into it. Everything fits perfectly in here, and it holds it nice and snug. It looks absolutely amazing. The wood color is so nice, and the finish is really smooth. You can tell there's a nice stain on here, and very durable. Let's take a look at the bottom of this block. On the bottom, we are gonna have almost a rubberized material. It's gonna be nice and firm, so it's not gonna like teeter-totter or wobble at all, but you are going to get 4 of those going all the way around. It stays planted really nice, and if I slide it around, it doesn't make any black marks on my countertop, which is obviously really nice because my counter is more of like a white material. Now these knives stand out from so many other ones that I've used because they look amazing and they do the job just good. Whether you're prepping fruit for breakfast, or you're making dinner for your family, or cutting into a nice steak, all of these are going to take care of your needs while looking amazing. Very practical and useful. I highly recommend this set. That's my honest review of the KnifeSaga set. Check this out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.